Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Bradley Stevens has a Stanley Black Chrome 60-piece socket set. He has 20 spots at $2.25 a spot. We're going to copy our list. And we are going to go live. We are live just now at 10:22 p.m. It's 10:22 p.m. We're going to paste our list. We have 20 items on the list. We're going to roll our dice. 1023, need a 4 or higher. We have a 7. First random coming, 1023. After the first time, 20 items on the list. We have Ryan Miles on top, Sadara Pittman on bottom. We're going to continue on. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 20 items on the list. After the 6th time, we have Sadara on top, Mr. Lee Rowell on bottom. We randomized 6 times. Dice calls for a 7. Final random coming at 12:23. Good luck, everyone. 20 items on the list. Spot 2, Janet Ham, you are the winner. We randomized 7 times. We are done. Final timestamp just now, 12:23 p.m. 12:23 p.m.